Howdy everybody, welcome back. I have just received these tow mirrors for my 2000 GMC Sierra. So I figured I'd make a little unboxing video for you all, and so let's go ahead and open these puppies up. These aren't like the top of the line ones, but I think the Boost Auto Parts mirrors are known as being like pretty much the best. The best aftermarket tow mirrors for like OBS trucks and all that. So go ahead and open it up. We've got real nice packaging here. It looks like a little styrofoam type box thingy. And you open it up, you get your bumper sticker. It looks like a little direction sheet. Oh, you get some little bit of swag in there. It's pretty cool. And then I just ordered these little taps. I don't know if these things are garbage or not. But it looks like you get all that, some mounting plates, some wiring to run, I'm assuming from the passenger side mirror. And now we get to the good stuff. Oh, yeah, it's looking good. And here we are with mirror number 1. Looking good. I got the smoked LEDs. Looks like it's real high quality here. Yep, looks pretty good, man. I can't really say that there's anything on there that I don't like. So that's number 1 of 2. So let me get the other one out here. So here they both are, looking good. Really excited to get these on the truck. I think they'll make it look a lot better, a lot cooler. And hopefully the functionality is good. They're both real heavy duty. They seem like real quality. They're real solid. They're not finicky or bouncy, it doesn't seem like. So can't wait to get them on the truck. So let's head out to the shop and get these put on. Alright guys, so we're back here in the shop. We're getting ready to go ahead with the install on the Sierra here. As you can see, I just have the stock mirrors. They're pretty crappy. They got these little nubbins on. They suck pretty bad, so we're gonna go ahead and change that today. I'm not gonna really be covering the install of these because I mean, on the Boost Auto Parts website they have like really detailed install videos, so I mean, I'm not gonna make any tutorials or any kind of crap like that, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put them in, we're gonna wire them up, and I'll check in with you guys when that is all complete. And we're back. It took about 3.5 hours to install these babies, but it went really good, and I think they look really nice. Yep, everything. I didn't end up hooking up the reverse light because for that they wanted you to just go out the door here and under the frame to the reverse light wire, but I'm not doing that. I think what I'm going to do is go through the firewall in the front of the truck and then just wire them up to the computer. But that'll take a lot longer, and I'm gonna have to do some planning before I do that. But I think they look really nice. I'll fire up the lights on them here and we'll check them out. So just with the running lights on, that's what they look like. They're just amber. They're not super bright or anything, but that's the running lights. And then with the hazards here, my hazards don't work worth a crap. There we go. So what I really like, another thing, is that these guys light up. That's pretty cool. And then they stay on and they just get brighter for the hazards, both sides. And then, so I think that'll look pretty good with the truck at night. And then obviously they, you know, go back and forth. They'll fold in, they'll pull out like that, which is pretty sweet as well. So if you're actually towing something. But anyway, yeah, I really like these lights, and I'll probably make like a follow-up video in a few months or something. See how they're lasting and how that all goes. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up so I can maybe get some more people around here and keep building this truck with everybody. Thanks, everybody. Peace out.